Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm up here at the Secretary, and we're gonna go through the our new sports field and try something new. Follow me to the center, and then we'll have a surprise for you. Okay, so here we go. Follow me along. Nice green turf. Guys are still working on it. Almost completed. I guess those goalposts have to go in yet. What else we got? Probably a couple stitch it up. Just minor things. Oops, just did a trip on something there. You gotta watch these poles, these pegs in the middle of the field. So we're just gonna do something here, at center. Hope I don't crash. But as you can see, it's very nice. And here's what the center is gonna look like. We're gonna do what they call a boomerang. So let's see what happens if I can do this. Okay, here we go. We're at center. Hey, fly. Boomerang. 20 meters.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Hey, fly. Boomerang. 20 meters.
Boomerang.
Okay, here it comes. Boomerang. I'm just looking at my phone. How cool is this? Look at that. You can see the whole track.